I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did a dip review earlier, but I guess my phone is being a piece of junk. So my videos are getting kind of crappy and not saving or whatever. So actually, it's not a bad chew. I got it over there in Kirksville, Missouri. Hawken. It says it's an American made since 1900s. Manufactured American Snuff Company LLC, Memphis, Tennessee. Wintergreen. It's really sweet. It almost tastes like Red Man or whatever. If they had a wintergreen flavor, but yeah, that's my review. Nobody sponsors me, but I'm gonna rate this a 3.1 because of this texture right here. For me personally, I don't understand why the texture is so big and kind of flaky. You know what I mean? But I am naturally used to chewing fine cut now, so this is not even really like a long cut. This is like, I mean, can you see it, guys? It's leafy. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna give it a 3.1. Hawking.